So for contractors, this is how the exam duration is 2 hours. You will have 14 number of questions and marks will be 100. Okay? So it's not like you will have all the questions with 2.5 marks. You will have some questions with 1 marks, 2 marks and 3 marks. So based on the weightage of the marks, all together in cumulative will get 100 marks. Okay? You have total 2 hours of exam. And it's an open book exam. You don't have to memorize any values or any theorem, you don't have to memorize. But you have to know from which part the question will be asked. Because you will have a set of NFPA codes and you will not get time to refer all these codes. The NFPA codes will be given as a scanned copy PDF. So you cannot search. Understand? Yeah, you have to look all the questions. You have to scroll. So you have to approximately know which section it will be. If it is on NFPA 13, okay, NFPA 13, which start? So from that we will guide you. Okay. And the pass mark required is 70%. You have 3 attempts to pass.